Hey guys, today I'm making a really spooky dessert. You want to get the grands first. I'm going to unroll these and just kind of make a mess. Once we've done the grands, we're going to do the regular size cinnamon rolls. Shove that into all the open areas. Perfect. This magic bowl. Take the icing. Put that in there. And this other icing as well. Mix that together. To that, we're going to be adding some red food coloring. Just a whole bunch goes right in there. Mix that together. Ooh, it's looking spooky already. Don't think that's red enough. So let's add some more. Ooh, yes, this is the right consistency and the right color. Pour it all over. Red raspberry jam. You can use the strawberry if you want, but the raspberry is a little darker, as you can tell. But don't mix it completely, just leave blobs everywhere. So we're gonna put this into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. What do you do with intestines? You pull them out and you eat them. Happy Halloween.